You're going to give it to the IRS, or you're going to invest it in ways that's going to help you save taxes, right? The money is gone, period. It's going somewhere. But the fact and the knowledge and the information to know that you can direct it is so powerful. And again, the last point I want to give before we hop off is we have to debunk the theory that, but if you're not paying taxes, you're a bad person, like, whatever. Because I have this conversation with people like, well, everybody's supposed to pay taxes. No, everybody's supposed to pay what they legally owe. But if the government wants to use my money to fund unemployment, right? That's cool. Right. But instead of them doing that, how about I keep the money, reinvest it in my business, hire somebody, and now instead of providing money to put somebody on unemployment, which keeps them in a state of not wanting to do more, I can now give them a job, give them purpose, give them direction. So never feel guilty for not paying taxes as a business owner, because instead of giving money to the government to give unemployment a link, you can use that money to provide that same amount of money to provide somebody with a salary, give them a job, give them peace of mind, give them purpose at the same time. So I think that's one thing people need to understand.